Hi dear, this is CA. Here we have song number 21, published by EA Spoken English. We teach online. इतना दलेर जितना शेर, as brave as lion. इतना डरपोक जितना गीदड़, as coward as jackal. इतना तेज जितना हिरन, as fast as deer. इतना चालाक जितनी लोमड़ी, as cunning as fox. इतना मीठा जितना शहद, as sweet as honey. इतना नरम जितना मक्खन, as soft as butter. इतना वजनी जितना पहाड़, as heavy as mountain. इतना आहिस्ता जितना कछुआ, as slow as tortoise. इतना बड़ा जितना आसमान, as big as sky. इतना बुरा जितना शैतान, as bad as the Satan. जिंदा रह, वो देखेगा जो तूने नहीं देखा. Live and see whatever has not been seen before. That's all for now. Thanks for being with EA.